Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Karuna Deve, welcomes you in the e-learning program of Gokula Education Society for the year 2020-21, where we are going to start our second semester. Students, I hope that you have enjoyed your Diwali vacations along with the more safety, and now you are eagerly waiting for the next videos. So once again, I am here for the 8th standard mathematics of State Board for English medium students. Students, up to now we have finished 9 units from the syllabus of first term. And in the last video we have started our unit number 10, that was division of polynomials. In that we have completed our practice set number 10.1. But here is time to go ahead and start the practice set number 10.2. So let's start it. So students, in our previous video we have already started our unit number 10, that was division of polynomials. In that we have learned about few most important concepts. First one, degree of polynomial. What is mean that? The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. If you will observe this example, this is one of the example of polynomial. Here there are 4 terms are given. If you look towards the first term, then this x is having the index number 3. In second case, x is not having any index number, it means its index is 1. In third section, x is having the index number 5. In last section, x is having the index number 2. So among all these terms, which is the greatest index number? Yes, this middle one is the greatest number, that is 5. So the greatest index number of the variable which is given into the polynomial is called degree of that polynomial. So the 5 is the degree of this polynomial. Students, after that we were familiar with the next concept, that is how to divide a monomial by a monomial only. This type of the example we were studied. After we were aware with the third concept, that was how to divide the polynomial by the monomial. So this type of the sums we solve in detail in our practice set number 10.1. But now here is time to get start the practice set number 10.2. Students, as I have told earlier, due to the COVID-19, few of the portion is deducted from the syllabus. So on the basis of that, from this practice set, question number 2 and 3 is deducted. Rest of the portion is included as it is in the examination. If you want, you can solve these 2 sums for your practice in your rough notebook. So let's go ahead. So students, in this practice set, we are going to learn about how to divide a polynomial by the binomial. As you know that, what is meant by binomial, monomial, trinomial and polynomial. So this is the binomial, it means 2 terms are given, and this one is the polynomial because x is one of the common variable is given in each case. So let's see how to solve it. It is just similar to divide the polynomial by the monomial. Now let's take the first example from the practice set number 10.2, that is y square plus 10y plus 24 is the dividend and divisor is y plus 4. Both are already given into the descending order. So let's arrange it into the proper way. Now students, look at over the divisor y plus 4. Now students, we have to be multiply this y plus 4 with a particular number, so that it might be first time we have to use the variable only. So if we'll multiply this term with the variable y only, then what will be the answer? Y into y, y square plus, this plus symbol we are going to put here as it is, and y into 4, that will be 4y. Now if this is the answer, then this y square can easily minus or cancel from this y square, and this 10y is also similar to this term. So students, this y we are going to write here, y into y, y square plus symbol y into 4, 4y. So this answer we are going to write here. Now students, this is having the positive symbol. We have to subtract. This negative symbol is going to change to the next symbol. So y square plus y square minus y square, it will be cancelled. Plus 10y minus 4y. Y will be as it is. 10 minus 4, the answer will be 6y. Now the next term, we are going to write it here along with the symbol plus 24. Now students, take again y plus 4. Now we have to multiply this term with the particular numbers, so which help us to make the answer similar to this one. Now this y is already given here, but here we want the 6. So if we will multiply this term with this number 6 only, then what will be the answer? 6 into y, the answer will be 6y plus symbol as it is 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Yes, it is similar to this one. So this is a perfect answer. Now this 6 we are going to write here. Now students, this 6y plus 24 is having plus symbol. So we want the answer into the positive only. So we are going to put the symbol plus to here. So 6 into y, 6y plus 6 4s are 24. It means this answer we are going to write as it is here. This is also having plus symbol. Now we have to subtract. Plus 6y minus 6y will be cancelled, or we can directly write the 0. And plus 24 minus this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. So plus 24 minus 24 will be cancelled. The remainder will be 0. At last we have to write quotient. It means the answer which is given at topper y plus 6, and remainder which is given at down, that is 0. If you want, you can take out the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Now students, let's take the next sum, that is fifth one. Here the dividend and divisor both are given, but the indices, it means index number is not given in descending order in both dividend and divisor. So we have to arrange it in descending order first. First, arranging the terms in descending order. So first of all we will write the dividend 3x minus 3x square minus 12 minus x raised to 4 and x raised to 3. So 4 is the degree of this polynomial term. We are going to write at first x raised to 4. After the 4, the third indices, it means indices will be 3. So this term we are going to put along with the symbol x raised to 3. After the index 3, we want the index 2. It means this whole term along with the symbol we are going to write negative 3x square. After the square, it means after the 2, the first one will come. It means plus 3x. Here symbol is not given, it means the positive one. After the 3x, the last remaining portion, it means negative 12. Like that way we have to arrange in descending order to the dividend. After that, symbol of division, and this divisor also we have to arrange into the descending order. It means this variable along with the square symbol we are going to write at first plus this 2. Got it students? Now write this dividend here and divisor will be here. Write the divisor at side, square plus 2. Now we have to multiply this number to the one of the variable x only to get the answer x raised to 4 at first. Already we are having x square and we have to make this square to the 4. It means we have to multiply with to the x square. X square into x square, the answer will be x raised to 4 plus x square into 2. It means 2x square. This first one is similar to this one, so we can use it. X square to here. Now students, this answer we have to write here. x square into x square, x raised to 4. Now x square into 2. The answer will be 2x square. But this 2x square we cannot write below to the x raised to 3. That means here we cannot write this. So this term, it means plus 2x square, we have to directly write to the below x square only. Plus 2x square. Got your students? This place we have to put empty as it is only. After that, subtract it. Positive x raised to 4 will become negative. This positive will become negative. X plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 will be cancelled. Now this is the empty place, so we can keep it as it is to the below. So x raised to 3 will be as it is. Now minus 3x square minus 2x square. X square will be as it is. Minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus will become plus and the symbol will become minus only. So minus 3 plus 2, 5. Got it, students? How we have solved the negative 5x square. Now students, after that, this remaining two terms we are going to keep as it is at down, which help you to do the next calculation. So plus 3x minus 12. Now students, again for the next calculation, write the divisor here. This is the rough work. X square plus 2. Now we have to multiply this term with the particular number, so we will get the first position, that will be x raised to 3. So if we will multiply with the single x, then what will be the answer? X into x square. Answer will be x raised to 3 plus symbol as it is, x into 2, 2x. This x raised to 3 and this x raised to 3 is going to match. So we are going to use this x here along with the symbol plus, because we will get here plus. Got it, students? So this answer x raised to 3 we are going to write here, and plus 2x. Now students, this plus 2x index is not having number, it means it 1. So we cannot write below to the 5x square. We have to write that number below the 3x. So this plus 2x will be here. So put the empty place over below the negative 5x square. Got the students? This trick you have to keep in your mind while doing this type of the sums, which help you get the exact answer. After that, just minor subtraction, do the subtraction. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus x raised to 3 minus x raised to 3 will be cancelled. This is an empty place, so my negative 5x square will be as it is, plus 3x minus 2x. First of all, we will write the x. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus minus will become minus. 3 minus 2, answer will be 1. And symbol of bigger number, it means plus. So plus 1x. So if you want, you can remove this 1 also and write the single x also. No need of writing this 1 also. And whatever is remaining, that you are going to keep as it is. That is negative 12. What the students? Now students, for this third stage, we have to again write our divisor x square plus 2. Now students, here we want the x square. So we have to multiply to the particular to this term with the particular number to get the answer x square only. It means if you will multiply the term with the again one more time x, so answer will become x raised to 3. So we cannot going to match that. It means that instead of using or multiplying with that variable, we can directly use the number. It means the coefficient. So we want the 5. So we can multiply with the 5 also. So 5 into x square. The answer will be 5x square plus symbol as it is, and 5 2s are 10. 5x square, 5x square. Is it okay, students? Now, keep one thing in your mind, that If we'll directly multiply with the positive 5, then answer will into the positive only. But here the term is already having negative symbol, so we have to make the answer in the negative only. So later on it will become positive and we can able to cancel that. So for that we have to make the 5 negative. So here also it will become negative and this plus will also become negative. So in this negative 5 we are going to write here, and this answer, it means negative 5x square will be here, and negative 10. Here 10 is not having variable, so we are going to put the empty place here, and negative 10 will be here. Now do the subtraction. This negative will become positive, this negative will become positive. Negative 5x square, positive 5x square will be cancelled. This plus 1x, it means single x, will be as it is, and negative 12, positive 10. Negative positive will become negative. It means 12 minus 10, the answer will be 2 and the symbol of bigger number. Got it, students? It means our remainder will become x minus 2. Now students, it might become in your mind that why we are not going to solve it ahead. Because this remainder is less than this divisor. Got it? Divisor is having x square and here we are having only single x. So it is less than the divisor. So here we have to stop doing the calculation and this was our final remainder. So after that we have to write the quotient. It means answer x square plus x minus 5 and remainder x minus 2. If you want, you can take out the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Now students, let's see the question number 6. Here dividend is a raised to 4 minus a raised to 3 plus a raised to 2 minus a plus 1. It is already given in descending order. No need to make it again. Divisor is a raised to 3 minus 2. So it is easy to solve it. But for your understanding and help, here I have directly show you the answer. If you want, you can take out the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Now students, look at the last and the most important question, that is question number 7. Here students, if you will observe the number very carefully, then index number are given in the descending order, but one of the index number is missed. 4, 3, after that directly 1 is there. But here the index number 2 is missed. So that we have to write at first and then we are going to solve. So here in the answer we have to write first adding the missing number. So write it again, 4x raised to 4 minus 5x raised to 3. Here we want x raised to 2, but one of the digit, it means coefficient, we have to write here before the variable. So we will put the 0 here with the plus symbol. Minus 7x will be as it is plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. Got it, students? Don't forget to add the missing term. Now write the dividend here and divisor here in a proper way. First of all, here we want this x raised to 4. It means this 4x minus 1. This term should be multiplied with x raised to 3. If we will multiply with the x raised to 3, so it will become 4x raised to 4 and minus 1 into 3 x raised to 3, so it will become x raised to 3. So put the x raised to 3 here and 4x raised to 4 and minus x raised to 3, that will just below to this one, minus x raised to 3. Do the subtraction now. This plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Plus 4x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4, it will be cancelled. Now x raised to 3 will be as it is. Negative 5, positive 1. Number is not there, it means 1. So negative and positive become subtraction only. So negative 5, positive 1. 5 minus 1 and symbol of bigger number, that is minus. Got it, students? Write the remaining terms as it is. Plus 0x square minus 7x plus 1. Now students, for the next calculation, take the term 4x minus 1 aside, multiply with the one of the number to make the answer x raised to 3. Already 1x is given, so we will multiply with the x square, but here already subtraction symbol is there, so we have to multiply with the negative x square. So negative will x square into 4x, 4 will be as it is, x into x square, x raised to 3. Negative negative, the symbol will become positive, 1 into x square, x square. Got it? So here we are going to write negative x square. The answer negative 4x raised to 3 plus x square, just below to this one, plus x square. Now do the subtraction. This negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Negative 4x raised to 3, positive 4x raised to 3 will be cancelled. Now this x square will be as it is, plus 0 minus 1. Number is not there, it means 1. So 1 minus 0, the answer will be 1 only. So no need of writing 1. But the symbol of bigger number, so among the 0 and 1, 1 is bigger. So we are going to put the symbol negative x square. And here we are going to write this remaining terms as it is, 7x plus 1. Now students, for the next stage, here 4x given and we want the x square. If we will directly multiply with the x, then we will get the answer 4x into x. It means 4x square will become. And here we want the single one. It means number should not be there. So in this case, we have to do the calculation in different way. Look at here. This 4x minus 1 multiply with the x because we want the x square, right? But students, we didn't want the 4 here, so we will divide it with the 4. Now this number is not having denominator, so we will assume it as a 1. Numerator and denominator with the multiply. 4x into 4x, 4x square minus 1 into x, 1, 1 4s are 4. Now students, instead of cutting it directly, we will make the denominator separate. That will be 4x raised to 2 divided by 4 minus x divided by 4. This 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So the answer will be x square minus x upon 4. Got it, students? So this is the answer which we have to use here. And what we are going to write as here on this position, that is x upon 4. But students, here negative symbol is given, so we want the answer in negative. So instead of writing x upon 4, we will write negative x upon 4. So the answer will become, this one will become negative and this one will become positive. Got it? Negative x square plus x upon 4. Now students, subtraction, negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Negative x square, positive x square will be cancelled. Now this minus 7x and minus x upon 4, that we are going to solve separately. So for that, look at here. This 7x minus x upon 4, this one will be here. So here this 7x upon number is not given, so we will assume it as a 1. Make this denominator as a 4. So for that we are going to multiply 4 to with the 4 to both the numbers. Minus 7x into 4 1 into 4 minus x upon 4. 7 4s are 28. Negative 28x upon 4 ones are 4 minus x upon 4. Now denominators are same, so we can easily minus it. Negative 20x minus x. So this 4 will be as it is, x will be as it is. Now this x is not having any number, it means here will be 1. Negative will become addition. So 28 plus 1, 29, and the symbol of negative will be as it is. Got it, students? This is the answer of this stage. So this we are going to write here. It means we have solved this case and the answer will be this one, that is negative 29x upon 4. Now we will write the remaining numbers. It means plus 1 will be here. Now students, we have to multiply to the divisor with the particular number. So we will get the answer negative 29 upon x, 29x upon 4. So let's see here, 4x minus 1. That should be multiplied with the particular number. So we will get the denominator, that will be 29. So here we are going to write 29. And denominator place we want the 4 only. So 4 4s are 16. If you will put the number 16 will be here. So later on in the answer it will become 4. Let's see how it is possible. Now students, we want the answer in negative, right? So we will put the negative symbol here. Negative 26 upon 16. Now make the, here denominator is not given, so we will write the 1. And then 29 into 4, the answer will be 116. It means negative 116x plus negative will become positive 29. The answer will be 16 into 1, 16 only. Now make the denominator separate. Negative 116x upon 16 plus negative upon 16. Now students, here this 116, how to shuffle this 116 into two numbers. The answer of 29 into 4, right? So instead of writing this 116, we can write the 29. Fours are 116, so we will write the 4 aside. So it was, if you will multiply to this number, 29 4s are 116, we will get the answer this one. The minus symbol will be as it is, the denominator 16 will be as it is, plus 29 upon 16, this will be as it is. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. Write the remaining things. Negative 29x upon 4 plus 29 upon 16. So this is the answer we will get after this type of the multiplication. So that we are going to use in our question. So negative 29 upon 16 will be here, and this answer we are going to write at this position. This negative 29x upon 4, is it right? Plus 29 upon 16. Now do the subtraction. Negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Negative 29x upon 4, positive 29x upon 4, it will be cancelled. Plus 1 minus this figure. Let's solve it. Plus 1 minus this 29 upon 16. Here 1 is not having denominator, so it will be 1. Make the denominator same at first and then do the subtraction. So we are going to write multiply with the 16. So the answer will be 16 upon minus 29. Denominator will be 16. Now this denominator will be as it is, 29 minus 29 plus 16, minus plus subtraction will be there. 29 minus 16, the answer will be 13. But the symbol of bigger number, so it will be negative 13 upon 16. So this is the answer of this subtraction which is given here. So let's write the answer, that is negative 13 upon 16 at the position of remainder. Now student, here this is the number which is less than this divisor, so we are not going to solve it ahead and directly write the remainder and quotient. This quotient, it means answer, we are going to write it here, and the remainder is negative 13 upon 16. If you want, you can take out the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Like this way, practice set number 10.2 is over. Now students, here is time to note down your homework, that is to complete the practice set number 10.2 in your classwork notebook. Like this way, our unit number 10 is over. I will come again with our next video for next unit. Children, till then, stay at home only.